Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you need to turn a PDF into a JPEG image? In this video, I'll show you how you can save or convert your PDF file to a JPEG. Let's go. I have two options here that you can use to convert your PDF. The first one is the online converters, which are a quick and accessible option, requiring no software installation. They are ideal for occasional conversions and typically offer a straightforward process. However, when using online converters, it's important to consider potential file size limitations for free users. Additionally, conversion speed can vary depending on your internet connection and the current server load. Always ensure the website utilizes a secure HTTPS connection to protect your files, and be mindful of its privacy policy concerning the handling and storage of your documents. Some of the popular choices are Adobe Acrobat Online, Small PDF and PDF 24 tools. And here's the general steps for online converters. Go to the website of your chosen online PDF to JPG converter. Click the upload button or drag and drop your PDF file onto the designated area. Select Image as the desired output format. Adjust any optional settings like quality or resolution if available. Click the Convert or Start Conversion button. Download the converted JPG files once the process is complete. But if you're looking for more frequent conversions, batch processing, or offline capabilities, desktop software can be a really good option because it provides a more robust solution. I personally use this tool because it has an advanced tool that quickly and accurately converts PDFs to JPEGs while keeping the original quality. This software is an all-in-one PDF tool that can convert PDFs to other formats while keeping the data the same. You can convert here your files quickly without losing the original formatting. That also offers strong batch processing and editing features, and has advanced features like OCR or optical character recognition, which converts images of text into machine-readable text. That makes it a versatile tool. This PDF software is the best and will meet all your needs. Just ensure that your PC meets the system requirements. I've attached the link below so you can have it for free. To start, launch the program from your desktop. Since the software has a simple interface, you can directly locate the tools you need on the start page. You'll see here different features the tool offers, like its AI functionality, Convert PDF, OCR PDF, and batch tools to batch process PDF documents. Now, to convert, you can use the Convert PDF option, which is displayed on the home screen. Or go to Open PDF and select the file if you want to preview your document. Let's have this example file. Tap on it to open, and this will take you to the tool's home screen. From here, navigate to the Convert option in the toolbar. Select PDF to Word from the available options. In the pop-up window, you'll see all the document's information. After reviewing the details, you'll need to specify the page range you want to convert. For example, if your document has 3 pages, you just adjust the range to include the pages you need. After a while, choose the desired file format. It could be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, and many other options. Then click the Convert button to start the conversion process. Your PDF will be ready shortly. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.